Good morning, everyone. Okay, next topic is mutations. What is mutation? Mutation, you might have a small idea or a brief idea regarding what is mutation. Mutations are changes which are taking place in DNA that will cause alteration. It will alter the DNA. As the DNA is altered, what will happen? Total chromosomes or genotype will be altered, so that the resulting phenotype will also be changed. That is taking place during mutation. It is a phenomenon which involves change in change or alteration in DNA. The DNA molecules get altered with the mutation, or DNA or what genes, whatever it is, whatever the allele or gene or DNA sequence, what is related to the genotype, that structure is being changed. Okay, here that results in change in genotype and phenotype also. If DNA is altered, the genotype will be modified, and the phenotype will also get modified. Total genotype and phenotype of the organism will get changed. Okay, here normally the change in DNA is resulting variations. We know variations. Variations, where variations are taking place during meiosis. Meiosis involves a recombination of chromosomes which are responsible for variations. Along with variations, mutations are also responsible. That means here, in addition to recombination, what is recombination? Recombination is resulting in variations. Recombination is crossing over of chromosomes which are taking place during meiosis. Okay, this mutation also results in variations along with the recombination. Recombination is a phenomenon which is responsible for developing new varieties or new variations in DNA molecules. Along with that, mutation also can change the DNA sequences, so that variations can raise with the help of mutations also. And these mutations were first observed by Hugo de Vries. Hugo de Vries was a scientist who observed mutations for first time. Here already we studied about the work of Hugo de Vries under chromosomal theory of inheritance. Mendel works are further studied by these scientists. Okay, Hugo de Vries, Sunmark, like that, some scientists. So Hugo de Vries notified this mutation in a plant called Enothera lamarckiana. This is very important. Mutations are first observed in which plant? Enothera lamarckiana. This Enothera lamarckiana plant is there, right? The Enothera lamarckiana is also called evening primrose. Evening primrose. In that plant, how there is developing new variations and the phenomenon of mutations which are leading to developing new varieties. It was observed. Okay, and the term mutation also given by de Vries only. The term mutation also given by Hugo de Vries. Hugo de Vries only gave the term on observing the phenomenon or concept of mutation in gene जरा लाना किया. Okay, see here, what is DNA structure? How mutation is taking place? What is the DNA? DNA is a polynucleotide chain which is made up of deoxyribonucleotides and they are running in helical forms. Two polynucleotide chains are joined together by hydrogen bonds so that there is formation of a helical structure of DNA. By forming that helical structure of DNA, simply called as Watson-Crick double helical structure, that by forming that helical structure of DNA, DNA structure gets stabilized. Okay, so DNA has more stability because it is double stranded structure, where RNA has lesser stability due to its single stranded structure. So, like that, there is a stability is maintained by DNA. Here, the DNA segments, a particular segment of DNA may be broken down, that means may be lost or may be attached, or even there is a change in the nucleotides. Okay, so what are the basis of mutations in genes means? Here, loss means what? Deletion or gain. Gain means addition. Loss or gain of a segments of DNA. Gain of segments of DNA. To the DNA, already one existing DNA molecule is there. To this DNA molecule, some more segment is added, means new genes will be added. Otherwise, in this existing DNA, some of the DNA is lost, means its genotype is getting changed. Loss of DNA results. What happens? That results in alteration of chromosomes. Chromosomes will get altered. So, in double helical structure of DNA, if any segment is lost or added, means there is alteration of the chromosomes. Okay, here these alterations what are taking place in DNA are called as aberrations. Chromosomal alterations are called chromosomal aberrations. Aberration means changes which are taking place at chromosome level in the DNA sequences. Okay, that is one thing. And if you see here, genes are present on the chromosome. So when chromosome is getting altered, genes will also get changed. Genes also get changed. Aberrations results in changes in DNA. Which type of cells these chromosomal aberrations are following continuously? These chromosomal aberrations are seen continuously in cancer cells. Cancer cells, these are seen continuously or commonly in cancerous cells. What are cancerous cells? Cells whose metabolism is suspended and cells where cell cycle and everything is ceased. Cancerous cells. Okay, due to presence of that carcinogenic agents, okay, there is development of cancerous tissues. Okay, cells growth, cell division, every processes are suspended, and DNA is also getting modified. This is taking place. This is one type. I mean, loss or gain of a segment of DNA will cause chromosomal changes, which we call chromosomal aberrations. These chromosomal aberrations are majorly seen in cancer cells. Write that fastly. Complete. Yes, thank you. Can I erase? Yeah, completed. Good. In addition to the addition or division of DNA segments in a chromosome, there may be a change in single nucleotide also. Mutations can also arise due to change in a single nucleotide. We'll see some examples also, then you can understand. We'll see in detail. Okay, if a single nucleotide is changed, that also leads to change in the DNA structure. Or what? Entire functioning of gene is modified. This is known as point mutations. When we studied about genetic code, there we discussed. Suppose we wrote Ram has red cap. Like this, there is arrangement of genetic codes. It is commonly seen in cancer cells. Chromosomal aberrations are commonly seen in cancer cells. That is the point. Here, this point, Ram has red cap. Like this, genetic codes are present on a sequence on DNA as a sequence. 3 nucleotides. Like this. Suppose if one nucleotide is changed, what will happen? One nucleotide is changed means the entire sequence is getting changed. This we studied under genetic code. Okay, even there is a single addition or single loss, addition or deletion of a single nucleotide also results in the change of the DNA structure. That is called as what? Point mutation. That point mutation, a very good example for point mutation is sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia is a disorder which is due to autosomal recessiveness. There is a change in a single nucleotide, so that entire hemoglobin, actually hemoglobin has 2 alpha chains, 2 beta chains, peptides. That peptides are made from their genes. So that genes, when they are undergoing expression, there is formation of hemoglobin A peptide and B peptide, and hemoglobin will be formed. But if hemoglobin is undergoing a change, single nucleotide substitution results in change of one amino acid in hemoglobin, so that the entire hemoglobin structure gets changed. So normal hemoglobin will be converted into sickle-shaped RBCs, so that RBC will broken down and anemia develops, a single nucleotide. Later, under disorders, we'll see about sickle cell anemia and some other also there, like phenylketonuria, some other disorders, then we will see. Okay? And if you see replacement is what? Substitution. Substitution of nucleotides can change or can alter a single codon in DNA that we know. A single codon. Substitution means, suppose here 3 nucleotides is there. What I told you, Ram has has red cap. Okay, this is a nucleotide sequence and genetic code sequence. Substitution. What is substitution? Replacement of one nucleotide with another nucleotide. Suppose if this nucleotide is replaced with another nucleotide, Ram has red cap. If one nucleotide is replaced with another nucleotide, what is here? Ram has a red cap. It is changed to Ram had red cap. That means meaning may change. A single nucleotide will be changed. Otherwise, addition or deletion of nucleotides. If that's what I told you. Suppose addition or deletion of nucleotides can cause frame shift mutations. Frame shift mutations. These frame shift mutations and the addition mutations, that everything we discussed already in genetic code topic. Okay, and if you see types of mutations based on the origin, types of origin, how mutations are developing, how mutations are rising in a DNA. Okay, one is spontaneous mutations. Spontaneous mutations means mutations that can develop. These arise naturally. These arise naturally. Naturally means without involvement of a man or without involvement of a mutation causing agent like mutant. But these are normally due to replication errors. If replication errors are taking place, that results in change of the DNA. That is what we call spontaneous mutations. These occur at low frequency. Low frequency means mutations are developing very slowly. Mutations develop slowly by this spontaneous method. Okay, examples. Bhaskara variety of rice. Bhaskara variety of rice, paddy, and novel variety of orange. Novel variety of orange, already we saw novel variety of orange under parthenocarpic fruits. Genetic parthenocarpy, I told you, where there is formation of fruits without seeds, parthenocarpy, under sexual reproduction. Novel variety of orange which is developed due to genetic parthenocarpy, where DNA mutations are taking place. Okay, Bhaskara variety. Yeah. Then induced mutations. Second type is induced mutations. Induced means which are developed with an external source. These are due to an external cause, external agent. That external agent we are calling mutation. If a mutation is developed due to that an external agent or external material, then it is called as induced mutations. These induced mutations are faster in frequency. They occur very faster in frequency. Normally, these are used to improve crop variety. These are used to improve crop varieties. Where we study about the mutations involvement in crop varieties? Where did we study? Where did we study about the mutagens application in crop varieties? Where? Yeah, very good. Very good, very good. Mutational breeding. Plant breeding, mutational breeding. With the help of mutational breeding, we can do that crop varieties, develop crop varieties. These induced mutations are two types based on mutagens. Based on mutagen. What is mutagen? The agent which is causing mutation. The agent which is causing mutation is called as mutagen. Based on that, these induced mutations are two types. I will get it up here. Okay, see now, what are the two types? One is A, physical mutagens. Physical mutagens means the physical agents which can cause mutations, like X-rays, UV rays, even gamma rays, temperature, high temperatures. These are some physical mutagens which can cause mutation. Temperature treatment, UV rays, X-rays, gamma rays, even beta rays, and even neutrons can also cause mutation. Then B, chemical mutagens. Chemical mutagens are those which are developed due to chemical agents. Chemical agents like colchicine, mustard gas, and some more are there like formaldehyde, and ethidium bromide, nitrous acid. Anything more? These are major chemical mutagens. And 5-bromouracil. 5-bromouracil. Actually, 5-methyl-uracil is there, which is thymine. 5-methyl-uracil is there, which is called as a thymine. But 5-bromouracil is similar to thymine, but it changes the DNA. Like that, these are some chemical mutagens which can cause a change in the DNA. So either physical mutagens or chemical mutagens, they can change the genome or the DNA, so that there is a change in entire genes or something. So the genotype will get altered and the phenotype also gets altered. So the genotype and phenotype is changing, means that's we call mutation. Mutation is a sudden change which is responsible for alteration in the genes or alteration in the DNA. Okay. Complete? Yeah, completed. Good. And these mutations are also called two types. They are divided into two major types. Two major types which are based on the cause. Based on cause, these are divided into two types. One is chromosomal changes. Chromosomal changes or chromosomal mutations. Second one is gene mutations. Chromosomal mutations are there, gene mutations are there. Because there is another subtopic like change. Okay? Under this, see first one. What is the reason for that? Chromosomal mutations. These chromosomal mutations are the changes which are resulting in number of sets of the chromosome. These are resulting which is due to change in number of chromosomes. If chromosome number is changed, then that is called what? Chromosomal changes. Due to change in the number of sets of chromosomes. Number of chromosomes set. Chromosome set means one set means haploid, two sets means diploid, like that, you know. That chromosome sets are being changed. Okay? Or also due to change in structure of chromosome. Structure of chromosome. So based on these two, these again divided into two subtypes. One is first one which are changing in sets of the chromosome, that is called as genomic changes. Genome changes. Chromosome number is modified means that is one type. Chromosome structure is altered means that is one type. Genome changes are genomic changes. Here, what happening here? Changes in chromosome numbers. If chromosome numbers are being modified, then that type of mutations are called as genomic changes or genomic mutations. Okay, these are again divided into two types. Now you can understand what are those. First one, euploidy. Euploidy. What is this euploidy means? Genome multiplies. Genome itself is multiplying. Due to that mutation, entire genome gets multiplied. Entire genome is getting multiplied means normally what? Suppose PM is called what? Triploid. We can know 2M is diploid or 1M is haploid So, which next point under this, which results in ploidy changes? Ploidy changes. Entire ploidy is changing. That means we can say this as a polyploidy type. Suppose one N set is there means there is increase in the number of chromosomes from one set to two sets. Number of genomes is getting changed. Number of genomes changes due to number of genomes which are multiplying and more than two are formed. One is there means haploid set is there means haploid genome will multiply to diploid genome totally. That is called as what? Euploidy. Euploidy. First type. Second type. Second type. Aneuploidy. Here, aneuploidy is a change in number of chromosomes, not entire genome. Numerical changes in the number of chromosomes. That is what we can say aneuploidy. I will explain you the difference. Suppose example 2n is there. Usually, if 2n to that there is addition of one more chromosome, then it is called trisomy. 2n condition is there to that there is addition of one more chromosome extra, then it is called as a tetrasomy. And 2n is the number of sets of chromosome. There is a loss of one chromosome, then it is called as monosomy. If two chromosomes are lost from entire genome, then it is called as nullisomy. See here the difference between euploidy and aneuploidy. What is the difference here? 1n becomes 2n. 2n may become 4n. 3n may become 6n. Like that, entire ploidy is getting multiplied. Suppose human being we have 2n. We have 2n. 2n is multiplying to 4n means that is euploidy. U means original. U means original. Original change in the ploidy. That is what we can say polyploidy because there is increase. Here this euploidy changes. Ploidy changes. Why ploidy changes are taking place? Anyone when ploidy changes can be seen. Which type of mutations? Yeah. No, not meiosis. In meiosis, there is a decrease in the ploidy. 2n become 1n. Again, zygote is formed means again 2n will form now. Yeah. In meiosis, in mitosis where? Synthetic phase, no. In synthetic phase, 2n is there, that will become 4C condition. Again, cells are dividing continuously. That is okay, no problem. Yes, Harini M, very good answer. Harini M Harini. What about G Harini, Sri Harini? Yeah, not cytokinesis. Yeah, where Sri Harini? Where means during anaphase of cell division. In anaphase, what will happen? Spindle fibers are attached to the sets of chromosomes at equator. Then spindle fibers are separating two sets of chromosomes. One genome to one face, one pole, another genome to another pole. Like that, there is separation of the chromosomes so that daughter cell ploidy will be restored during anaphase. But spindle formation is not proper. Spindle fibers are not separating the genome properly, means then there is increase in the number of chromosomes. Total genome set will be increased. That is euploidy. But in aneuploidy also due to anaphase only. But the total set of genome is not divided. That condition is this one. But here a single chromosome is not dividing by anaphase properly. Then to total set there may be addition of a single chromosome that results in aneuploidy. Okay, these are two types. Not done fast, I think complete. Yeah, complete. Yes, good. Madheswari, there. Next, second type of that chromosomal mutations, structural changes. Structural changes in chromosomes. These are changes in number and sequence of genes on chromosome. Yeah, what is the doubt? First added to entire chromosome means aneuploidy. Yeah. One set added, not one set, one chromosome. A single chromosome. Numerical changes. Suppose 46 chromosomes are there. That 46 chromosomes is replied, 47 will come. Or 48 chromosomes, 45 chromosomes. That is numerical changes. Structural changes. These are structural changes in chromosomes which are due to gene sequence or change in genes sequence on a chromosome. If genes are present, genes which are present on a chromosome are altered in their sequence, then they are called this one. Okay, this gene sequences may be due to, these may be due to one addition. Here just one point and a single diagram I will give you. Suppose here there is a chromosome like this. This chromosome has several genes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and H. Several genes are there. If any gene is introduced in middle of a chromosome, addition or duplication, we can say addition. Addition, we can say also duplication. Addition or duplication of genes. What is this here means? Suppose A, B, C are there, but there is a duplication of the gene. Suppose B and C genes are duplicated. Then this has a continuous sequence again. F, G, H, I. See here, what happened here? This is the original sequence of chromosomes. Sorry, genes and chromosomes are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and X. but on the same chromosome, these two genes are duplicated. This is what we can say duplication, addition or duplication. Genes are duplicated. That is enough. A segment of chromosome is added. Genes undergo duplication means there is insertion of genes. That is the first reason. Second reason, deletion. Yeah, I will write like this now. Nothing is needed, just a diagram that will explain. This can do. Next, deletion. What is the deletion means? A diagram speaks everything here. No man is required. Nothing is required. Text is not required. Just copy this. Enough. Deletion. A, B, C, D is there. E, F, G. Like that, there is a chromosome means in this chromosome there is loss of a segment of gene. The genetic segment is lost. Suppose gene C is lost means then it has only A, B, D, E, F, G. This is one type. Okay. Then third one, inversion. Inversion means where reversely binding. Genes are reversely. Part of chromosome is inversed. Inversion means head becomes down, legs become up like this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, like that some genes are there. On this chromosome, same genes will be present. Same genes will be present, but a segment of DNA B, C, B, E, F, G, H. What happened here? The gene DNA sequence of this chromosome which has A followed by B, C, D, that is reversed. Now A is followed by D, C, B. A segment of DNA is reversely bound. That is one. Next, fourth one, translocation. Translocation means changing the place of the chromosome. Changing the place of chromosome. Okay. Translocation means suppose another chromosome. Take an example. Now it has A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Like that, there are some segments of genes on chromosome. Now, what is happening in this chromosome is A, I need to write that. A, E, F, G, B, C, D. Then I and J. What happened here? What happens here? A segment of chromosome which is present on one part is shifted to another part. That is what we can say translocation. Translocation may be shifting on same side or other sides of the centromere. Yeah, complete. Chromosomal mutations are diffused. Wow, same question many times. Chromosomal mutations comes under induced mutations. No. After induced mutations are two types. Physical mutagens, chemical mutagens. Again, I divide into two based on the fact what is taking place, based on the type of change. Chromosomal mutations, gene mutations, two types. First one is based on the mutagen, based on the source. They are spontaneous and induced. Induced are two types. Okay, physical, chemical. Next one is entirely different. Next one based on the change. Yeah. See now what is happening in these four types. First one, addition or duplication is there, where there is genes are getting duplicated and it has some more copies of same genes. That is duplication. Deletion, a segment of DNA is lost here like this. That is lost. That is what we are calling deletion. Inversion, there is a change in the gene order. See here BCD is gene order, but here BCD is present in reverse order. A is followed by B, then C, then D here, but here A, B, C, D reverse. Translocation means see here BCD is this part. The segment of DNA or chromosome is removed from here that will attach some other place. Some other place, that is called as a translocation. Translocation means positional change. Positional change of genes on a chromosome is called as a translocation. Okay? Right. Complete? Don't leave. I'll continue. Some more is there. Next. Yeah, completed. If you didn't complete, take a snapshot. How they ask question? I will give questions in WPT, then you can understand how questions come. What are, suppose due to addition of or insertion of a new DNA or duplication of a DNA in chromosome, what is resulting? So based on that, some questions here. Then second major type, gene mutations. Gene mutations. Here, a small part of gene, undergoes mutations here. A small part of gene is undergoing mutations here. That is called what? Gene mutations. Majorly, these gene mutations can be a single nucleotide changes. These are majorly due to single nucleotide changes, which are also called point mutations. These are also called point mutations, single nucleotide changes. Okay, majorly which are due to replication errors. Replication errors. Okay, here one gene may undergo many point mutations. One gene can undergo many point mutations. When point mutation taken place, due to this, alleles can change. A gene is there, the gene can express and produce its character, but mutation taken place means then there may be failure in the expression of a character. That may be what allele changes we can say. Okay, these gene mutations are majorly divided into two types. Just 5 minutes are complete. These are majorly divided into two types. One is inversion. Inversion. Here, what is inversion means? This changes. Inversion changes the system of DNA. What is system? System means functional unit of DNA. System of DNA in a reverse order. In a reverse order. That process is called as reverse order or inversion. Inversion. A DNA sequence is there, the DNA sequence is reversely positioned. That is what we can say inversion. Here, so that new DNA has different codons. Different codons will be present in the new DNA molecule. Okay? Suppose, what is an inversion means? Suppose AUG is there, that AUG becomes GUA. Same nucleotide sequence but reversely they are placed. AUG normally codes for methionine and GUA codes for what? I think valine. Valine, you can check that genetic code dictionary. Valine only, yeah, valine only. Valine or glycine, valine only. Yeah. Then, second type of these gene mutations, substitutions. Substitution means replacement. Substitutions are called replacements. What are the replacements? One nitrogen base, a nucleotide replace with other nucleotide. One nucleotide is replaced with another nucleotide. Okay, substitution is also a point mutation where results in change in the single nucleotide. Suppose CTC is there, that will become CAC. Only one nucleotide is changed. These nucleotide or single nucleotide changes are again two types. Examples: transition. That example we can write later. These are two types. Transition, two examples. One is a transition. Transition means purine replaced with purine or pyrimidine replaced with pyrimidine. A purine is replaced with purine means that is what we can say a substitutional transition. Suppose A T A is there. If ATA is becoming ATG, A is replaced with G here. Otherwise, ATG is there, that will become ACG. This is what we can say transition. Purine replaced with purine, or a pyrimidine replaced with pyrimidine. A is replaced with G, purine with purine. Pyrimidine replaced with pyrimidine, timing with C. This is one type. Second type of example, example 2. Transversion. Here transversion is purine replaced with pyrimidine or pyrimidine replaced with purine. This is type of replacement. A purine is replaced with pyrimidine or pyrimidine is replaced with purine. Then it is called this one, what? Transversion. Suppose same, take ATA. If ATA become AGA, what happened here? Thymine is there, thymine replaced with guanine. So thymine is a pyrimidine that is replaced with a purine which is guanine. Otherwise, PTA. What happened here? Adenine is a purine replaced with thymine which is a pyrimidine. Adenine is a purine that is replaced with a thymine which is pyrimidine. That type of replacements are called what? Transversions. Transversions. Okay, and another type of gene mutations. Yeah, sorry, I told you 3 types. I told you 2 types only. Gene mutations are 3 types. One is inversion, second one is substitution, third one is frame shift mutations. Already you know about that frame shift. Third one is frame shift mutations. Frame shift mutations. Frame shift mutations means change in the reading frame. Change in the reading frame of DNA or mRNA. That is what we call frame shift mutation. These frame shift mutations are due to 2 types, you know. One is insertion. Insertion. Suppose Ram has red cap. This will become how? Ram has B. Okay, one more nucleotide is there. BRE. BCA. P. Lot of reading frame is getting changed. That is insertion. Okay. Second one is deletion. Deletion means, insertion means addition of nucleotide. Addition of a nucleotide. This one is loss of a nucleotide. One nucleotide is deleted. If insertion is there, means reading frame will be moving forward. Okay. Suppose Ram has red cap. That may be becoming wrong. Has. If it is removing, R is removing means E, D, C, A, P. Here there is addition of one nucleotide, one reading frame. Nucleotide is added, but here there is a deletion. That addition or deletion of nucleotides, insertion or deletion, addition or deletion, these are causing frame shift mutations. Okay, this is about mutations. Mutations are responsible for new variations which are resulting in evolution also, and mutations can be used by plant breeders to develop new varieties. Okay, this is about mutations. It is enough for now. One more important announcement. Join by 10:55. I will leave you by 11:50. Okay, enough for now.